The 4 men convicted of the gang rape and murder of a Delhi woman on December 16, 2012 were hanged at Tihar Jail early in the morning, ending a horrific chapter in India's long history of sexual assault that had shared the nation's soul. According to a media report, 32 years old Mukesh Singh, Pawan Gupta, age of 25, Vinay Sharma, age of 26, and 31 years old Akshay Kumar Singh were executed at 5:30 a.m. for the savage assault in an empty moving bus on the 23-year-old physiotherapy intern who came to be known the world over as Nirbhaya, the fearless one. This is the first time that 4 men have been hanged together in Tihar Jail, South Asia's largest prison complex that houses more than 16,000 inmates. To be mentioned, 6 people, including the 4 convicts and the juvenile, were named as accused, while another accused, Ram Singh, allegedly committed suicide in the Tihar Jail days after the trial began in the case. The juvenile was released in 2015 after spending 3 years in a correctional home. Report also said the convicts had not expressed any last wish or will to authorities.